So due to no equipment and it doesn't have any cables actually on the tower, we're just gonna start with the safety climb and then just go up. We are doing 0.7 intervals as far as the capture, meaning I'm not manually hitting the shutter. My controller is automatically doing it. It's automatically controlling the shutter of the drone. All right, so just gonna switch to single. All right, so I don't see it. So we're gonna have to drop down and probably shoot up. So there is the top safety anchor. So we're just gonna get a photo of that. It is pretty windy right now, so keep that in mind. The Mavic 3 Enterprise does amazing in wind. All right, so notice I'm facing north. The nadir shot always have to face north, so keep that in mind. And then we're just gonna pop out and then get to move the gimbal angle to 50. Drop down some. 50 is in the left corner right there. We'll drop down some, switch it back to timed, and then we're gonna do the orbits. I'm left dominant, so it's just easier for me to go this way. There's really no preference. I mean, it's really your preference of to where you, it's really your preference to how you want to do your orbit. I'm left dominant though. So you just fly the orbit until you get back to north. So now that we're back, okay, we at 145 height wise. We're just gonna drop down 15 feet, then fly another orbit. It's beeping right now, just because the antennas are in the vicinity, but we're not actually close to them. Just in case you're wondering about the beeping. Now, granted, you are, I passed the north a little bit. That's okay. A little overlap, it won't hurt.